Welcome to an all-new Sniper. Listen, I know how busy you are, so I'm going to cut straight to the chase because we've paid out over $5 million to you, our affiliates, being the #1 home business product on CLICKBANK 3 years in a row, and there's a reason. Simply put, affiliates promote us time and time again because they make more money with Sniper than anything else, okay? And if you're looking for an offer to promote on your website, email list or otherwise, and make the most money possible, you're looking at potentially the biggest party in internet marketing right now, and we'd love to have you on board. So talking facts, I'm proud to bring you more money. At the end of the day, that's what matters. What product's going to earn you the most money? And look at the marketplace on CLICKBANK. We pay you over $130 per sale, average. That's average, not up to. That's what we pay you on average. That's on a $47 product. That's almost a 300% commission. And it's 4 or 5 times that of our competitors. Even if you don't typically promote home business products, this should be enough to get your attention. We pay you more than anybody else per sale. Now, not only that, but we've just completely updated the entire product. The sales page, the funnel, the product, it's all new. Rebills, 90% of our customers take the rebill option, and that means you could be getting paid years down the line, month after month, okay? In fact, that's one of the main things most of our affiliates enjoy. We have the industry-leading #1 retention rate, and no one else pays for an average of 9 months. That's how long people stick with us, okay? Record-breaking conversions. Some of the highest ever on CLICKBANK, and consistently, year after year, it only gets better. We've got a lot of traffic to play with, over 10,000 visitors a day to the Sniper page, and the fact that more affiliates choose to promote us instead of anything else on CLICKBANK says something. Finally, the products. We've had over 100,000 customers through our doors, and with a brand new, newly updated Google Sniper 3.0, we've now really secured our place once again as the best quality product within the space. The value that they get inside is easily worth back as a $2,000 course, okay? And that is why, in short, you should choose us. Now, the numbers speak for themselves, but even more important here is the community, okay? And promoting Sniper is an exciting place to be. To give you more information on that, we hold regular contests, many with up to $10,000 in cash up for grabs, and as well as that is real one-on-one support for you. Because our biggest asset is undoubtedly you. You, our affiliates and partners. And aside from taking a few minutes to, watch this video right now, which I really appreciate, we're a small team, and with dedicated affiliate support, you're not going to find anywhere else. We're always on Skype, we're always ready to help. Anything you want to do, banners, emails, anything you need to help, we're here. You are well taken care of with us. So finally, you're going to earn more money with us, promote a really high quality product that you can feel good about, get one-on-one support for anything you need, huge cash contests. We're constantly tweaking and improving our sales process to make you more money. And by the way, we often pay you for years after the sale is made with the rebills, and all in all, it's just an exciting place to be. So go ahead, sign up on this page, join the Sniper affiliate page, and on the Sniper affiliate base, and on the next page we've got all sorts of creatives, banners, everything you're ever going to need to help you get set up, plus a few more goodies you'll see when you do, okay?